Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Tutorial by Dibesh sir. My name is Dibesh Raut and I am going to teach NCERT chapter number 3, lecture number 4. In our previous class we have discussed about some of the example of matrix, and in this class we discuss about multiplication of matrix, properties of matrix multiplication and identity matrix. So let's start. Multiplication of matrix. If A is equal to Aij m cross n and B is equal to Bij n cross P, then their product is C is equal to Cij m cross P. Remember that for multiplication, column of first matrix means n, row of second matrix means n. It should be same. Then product is possible. Means if it is 3 cross 2 and it is 2 cross 3, then product is possible, since column of first and row of second are same. That's why multiplication is possible, and answer will be in m cross p. Means it is 3 cross 2 and it is 2 cross 3, then answer will be 3 cross 3, like here m cross p. So remember, note down this. Product is possible only when column of first and row of second is same. Example: A is equal to 2 minus 1 1 3 2 4 minus 3 2 4 0 3 minus 5, and B is equal to 1 1 4 minus 2 2 minus 3. Since here 3 cross 3, here 3 cross 2, here column of first is 3 and row of second is 3. Since both are same, then product is possible, and we'll find AB. See how it is found. Let's see. You have to multiply this row with this column. Remember that, this row with this column and placed in first place. So very complicated and but very easy, but you have to remember this first row with first column and placed in first place. So 2 ones are 2 plus minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4, then 1 into 2 plus 2. Understood? Then this with this and placed in second, this row with this column and placed in second place, like 2 ones are 2, minus 1 into minus 2, that is 2 plus 2, then 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3. Next, this row with first column and placed in this place. So minus 3 into 1, minus 3, 2 into 4 plus 8, 4 into 2 plus 8. Then again this row with this column. So minus 3 into 1, minus 3, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12. Next, this row with this column, 0 into 1, 0, 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 12, minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Next, this with this column, 0 into 1, 0, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 5 into minus 3, that is 15. So student, understood or not? See carefully. That is 2, this row is multiplied with this column and placed in first place. This row multiplied with this column and placed in second. Now go for second row multiplied with first column and placed in second row. Second row multiplied with second column and placed in second row but in second place. Again, third row multiplied with first column placed in last place. Again, third row multiplied with second column and placed in last place. Understood or not? So check, answer will be in 3 cross 2. So 3 cross 2 column. So it is 3 cross 2. Now solve it. 2 plus 2 4 minus 4 0. 2 plus 2 4 minus 3, that is 1. 8 plus 8 16 minus 3 13. Minus 12 minus 3 minus 15 minus 19. 12 minus 10, that is 2. 15 minus 6 that is 9. This is our final answer. Next, properties of matrix multiplication. Commutative. It is not always followed. If A is equal to 3 cross 3, B is equal to 3 cross 2. AB is possible because see here column of first and row of second both are same. So multiplication is possible. But if you reverse it, that is B is equal to 3 cross 2 and A is equal to 3 cross 3. Here if you check, these two are not same. That is column of first matrix and row of second matrix are not same. So B is not possible. So clearly AB is not equal to BA. Clearly AB is not equal to BA. Remember that in this case. But there are some other case also where you can find AB is equal to BA also. So I have written it is not always followed. Next, distributed law. If A is equal to Aij m cross n, B is equal to Bij n cross B, C is equal to Cij n cross B, then A cross B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Remember, the matrix inside the bracket must have same order. C. Same order. Remember that matrix inside the bracket or matrix which are added must have same order. That is n cross B, n cross B. And for multiplication, column of first, row of second must be same. Then multiplication is possible. So next, if A is equal to Aij m cross n, B is equal to Bij m cross n, C is equal to Cij n cross B. So clearly here A plus B is cross C is equal to AC plus BC. So I told you before that the matrix, the order of matrix inside the bracket must be same. So order of A and B must be same. See here, m cross n, m cross n. Now these are first matrix and this is second matrix. So column of first and row of second must be same, then product is possible. Next, associative. If A is equal to Aij m cross n, B is equal to Bij n cross B, C is equal to Cij P cross Q, then A multiplied with BC is equal to AB multiplied with C. See here, for multiplication, complete multiplication, see order of first and order of second and order of third. See here, A into B, column of first, row of second must be same. Then B into C, column of first, row of second must be same. Then product is possible. Then we can say associative is possible. Next, identity matrix, denoted as IN Aij m cross n. Here principal diagonal is 1, rest are 0. Principal diagonal is this, other entities are 0. I3 is equal to I3 cross 3, or we can write 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Similarly, I2 is equal to I2 cross 2, 1 0 0 1, means 2 cross 2 order. Now remember that this one, I into A is equal to A into I is equal to A. So thanks for watching my video. If there is any feedback or comment regarding the video, then do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.